Hey guys, what's up? So today we're showing you top best strategies 5, 11, 12, 13, and 14. The first tweak is called Velocity Reloaded, and widgets the way they were meant to be. So bring back the heat. You can spice up your home screen with widgets for any app. Velocity is efficient, created with non-battery draining in mind, and will transform your home screen to something special. Retain the iOS stock feel while incorporating widgets with loads of information and controls. This is called Velocity Reloaded 2. And bring back the heat, so let's you take advantage of your iOS home screen like never before, and basically bring back widgets. So this one is for iOS 13 users. This is called Spotify Life and gives you Spotify features. So you have unlimited skips, no ads, stream quality, and sound stream unlock. Download tracks currently unavailable. This week is a widget I believe it's called Lumia. It's a Metro UI Windows phone-based OPW for SCN HTML. This is called Big Search Center. So I was told this week is crashing on iOS 14.2.1. So be mindful of that. It replaces the default iOS control center with new lightweight and elegant one inspired by the new control center and macOS Big Sur. This is called Play Hour. Now change the now playing view to be yours. See the music player background, music player borders, control center, customization. This is called Yobon Evolution. As utilities in the control center supports iOS 13 and 14. So you have these features right here. This week is called Last Look. A last look at your notification center when you lock your phone. This week's called a Chive OS. It's a Windows 95, Windows 98, and Windows Vista theme for iOS. So archive to deb, convert an archive to a .deb file. Currently support these two formats, .zip and .7z. This week is called DocX Reborn. Version 1.5.2 is now out, and it's also tweaked for the dock created with love. You have modern dock, high dock background, get old classic dock for new devices, for iPhone X and up. Customize the dock color and choose an image for the dock background. This is called Translamatic, and will soon support Celio version 2.0. You quickly translate any text using this tweak. This is called Respring Helper, compatible with iOS 8 to 14. It's a convenient tool which helps you respring the springboard on the jailbroken iPhone. Can also reload app icons on the home screen when tweak or app is missing on the home screen. It tests on iOS 8 to 13.5. It also shows information of the iPhone, including Wi-Fi name, IP address, UDID, device name, system language, etc. It lists all the apps on your iPhone and the details of each app, like the bundle ID, bundle path, data path, and etc. This is called App Hider and makes apps disappear from your home screen. From your springboard. So if there's a certain app that you don't want someone to see, you can just hide it. This is called Biome Control X, compatible with iOS 11, 12, and 13 for iPhone X. Easier access to the control center on the iPhone X. This is called Search for Clubhouse, search for current groups in Clubhouse. This is called Woof, an all-in-one tweak for Facebook. So you have these user features, story features, and feed features. This tweak is called Rhino version 3.7. It's simple, lightweight Instagram tweak with powerful features. You have these user features, story features, pro features, all those features for Instagram. This tweak is called Unicorn, and basically with this tweak, it allows you to download TikTok videos and many more other enhancements. So you have all these features: down videos, follow and page enhancements, hide all buttons, comment more than 90 texts or 90 characters per video, present the download button for you page, pinch the zoom and rotation gestures for videos, and perform all share actions. And you have user features, other features for TikTok. This week is called App Store Plus Plus. Allows you to downgrade or upgrade apps in App Store, block updates, bypass 200 megabyte down limit, disable search ads, and disable app thinning. So for the crash in iTunes Store, Damien, download apps regularly would hang. So basically, this week is known to allow you to downgrade apps on the App Store to a earlier version. There's also another alternative called App Admin, which supports up to iOS 12. If you guys want to install App Admin on iOS 13, you have to install another tweak called a Fits to App Admin. I believe that might work on iOS 14 as well, but for iOS 13, it does fits App Admin from crashing. Next is called What This Do 2 for WhatsApp, all-in-one tweak for WhatsApp Messenger. You have a bunch of features. This week is called Android Bar, brings the Android navigation controls to iOS. This week is called Safe Mode libhooker, safe mode app for libhooker. This week is called Bird Poop version 1.0.9. Destroy any player in game pigeon games. So for 8-ball pool, you get the unlimited guidelines. For starships or whatever, or battleships, you can see basically where the other ships are, and yeah, you get different kind of like cheats for game pigeon games, so it helps you win. and it's also undetected, so the person doesn't know. So like for a game, for example, for 8-ball pool, we get unlimited guidelines. They don't see that, only you see that. So it kind of like helps you win. So yeah, make sure you guys can read it, and it tells you exactly what, all the list modifications supports. It does cost, I did purchase it. It does cost $1.99, which is not bad at all. And it tells you what it's supported with Game Pigeon. So Game Pigeon was updated. So if you install the latest version, it supports iOS 5.1 to 14.5. But if you saw the latest version of Game Pigeon, which you could downgrade it, yep, you could downgrade it. But if you saw the latest version of Game Pigeon, you have to make sure you have the right version of Boo Poop. If you saw the latest version of Bird Poop, you want to make sure you have the right version of Game Pigeon, which should be the last version of Game Pigeon. So you see, depending on which one you install. So for version 1.7 and below, you want to have Game Pigeon, the version below this. But if you install Bird Poop version 1.0.8 or above, you want to make sure you guys have Game Pigeon version 2.2.2, which as of right now is the latest version of Game Pigeon. So if you're asking how would I downgrade Game Pigeon on the App Store, if I can't just downgrade it. But that's why I use a tweak called App Store Plus or a tweak called App Admin, and that allows you to downgrade. You can downgrade Game Pigeon to whatever version you guys want, basically. So version 1.0.9 fixed preference bundle load and error. This is called Etsnon, and this tweak allows you. It makes it easy to access your iOS device's file system from your PC. This tweak is called FCKYT upload. Disable upload button on YouTube. This tweak is called Spring-5. Has like 100 tweets in one, and basically one of the best tweets to customize your device with. This tweak is called My iPay Cracker, and from STEMgrade, one of my friends, and version 3.2. So tweets enhanced for iOS 13 and 14. It was updated to add more tweets and also fit some bugs. This tweak is called FlyJBX. It's a bypass jailbreak detection tweak. Tweak is called Fly, and with Fly, your Twitter notifications come to life. It's called Spy 2 version 1.2. We all have those annoying friends, girlfriend, wives we let our phone to. This tweak is a must-have because it basically can tell us what they're on, how long they're on it for, and what they are doing on our phone. This tweak is called Top Settings, customize the settings application. So compare with iOS 10 to 14. This is called Neko or Nico, and set a video as your wallpaper. This is called Nougat. And experience Android via an iOS device. It brings the notification panel from Android, Nougat, and Oreo. Nougat is built from the ground up to integrate seamlessly into iOS and behaves just how you would expect a stock feature to. Next tweak is called Aerial 2, color status bar icons. Next tweak is called MIM Port, and import media directly from